Playing with us at the old folks' home.
I'm fucking.
You guys got good Wi-Fi there?
He talks
Dude, you don't sound too young yourself. Got double kill RPG. Sound too young yourself. Holy shit, dude! I just got like a fucking echo
What
like
the
30
fuck?
seconds after I said it.
Yeah, you did. I heard that. I was like, why are you repeating yourself?
Dude, you don't sound too young
You're using a
yourself.
fucking shotgun.
Look, it said it again.
He talks
Dude, you don't sound too young
How
yourself.
Well,
Dude, it keeps repeating it. Do you hear it?
yeah, why? You're not saying it?
No, dude, I've only said that one time.
There's no way that guy.
Dude, you don't sound too young yourself.
What?
That's some
What
funny
the
shit
fuck?
right there.
That's crazy.
Cannot deal with King, man. What the fuck?